Okay, so I'll just tell you about what I'm up to today. एक तो काम पे तो बिकॉज मंडे एंड मुझे मेरा स्टूडियो काफ़ी लेट अवेलेबल होके मिल रहा है. Oh my God! तो I'm getting some work done today. First is I'm buying a tank bag for myself. There is a shop nearby where I'm heading, and from there I'll be buying the Via Terra magnetic tank bag. They have a couple of options, but I'll see which one I can buy. Right now I'm carrying my clothes, like extra pair of clothes and a raincoat. ऐसा पूरा पैक करके रखा है 2 अलग-अलग प्लास्टिक बैग में. And whichever tank bag will fit those 2 plastic bags सामान से भरा हुआ inside itself, so I'll be preferring that tank bag for sure. बिकॉज मुझे पता है एक पेयर ऑफ क्लोथ्स एंड रेनकोट इससे ज़्यादा मेरे पास सामान कभी होने नहीं वाला. तो दैट इज़ अ मैक्स load that I'll be carrying, and if there's a bag that can handle it, I'm buying it. And obviously the second thing is that it shouldn't be in my way while riding the motorcycle. So if these two things are getting satisfied, I'm buying that tank bag. Reason being, obviously buying an Xpulse चुल तो मचती है खड़े रह के चलाने के लिए. And if I'm carrying a backpack with some amount of weight, my shoulder is taking all the pressure on itself. And पहले दिन वही हुआ कि मैं खड़े रह के लंबा चलाया and मेरा शोल्डर बहुत पेन होने लगा. हमने कहा थॉट लाइक क्या हो रहा है, क्यों हो रहा है. देन आई रियलाइज कि ओ ओके, इट्स द बैक का स्ट्रैप दैट इज़, ओ इधर ही है शायद, हाँ. It's the back ka strap that is putting pressure on my shoulders and I'm having shoulder pain. इसी वजह से एक्चुअली मेरे शोल्डर में एक knot भी फॉर्म हो गया था. Thankfully now it's gone, but still I don't. Oh, छोटे रास्तों में पता ही नहीं चलता यार. Excuse me. Is the shop, I think somewhere, I think over there. Is it open? Yeah, it is open. This is it, Bikers DNA. I'll just park my bike somewhere, वहाँ पे लगा देता हूँ. I'm not sure ये parking area है कि नहीं, but let's see. चलो, I'll be back in a couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
Alright then, this is a tank bag which I've gotten. This is the Via Terra Fly, and yeah, it has costed me rupees 3,399. Yeah, this is going to be convenient for me. Okay, this is interesting. Right now while riding, it's not coming in my way. I have adjusted it in a way that it's not really touching me while riding or bothering me. I'll see how it is while I'm maneuvering in traffic. Can I get the entire extent of my turning radius with this, and is it comfortable for me to stand with this bag? Okay, yeah, this is not coming in way. It's touching me. Oh, okay, it's definitely touching me while I get up and get down. I think I'll have to get used to it, but this definitely is going to help me in a way that I don't have to carry anything on my shoulders. That's a big plus point for it, because I know I'm going to stand up a lot while riding. अपना रोड्स तो भाई एकदम मस्त तो है, लद्दाख वाली फीलिंग देते भी है. एंड इवन दो दिस हैज़ रियली गुड सस्पेंशन, आई वुड, ओ गॉड व्हाट इज़ गोइंग ऑन. आराम से चलाओ भाई, सबको बोल रहा हूँ मैं, ऐसा रिस्की मनूवर्स मत लो. बट एनीवे, आई एम सेइंग कि इवन दो दिस मोटरसाइकिल हैज़ रियली गुड सस्पेंशन, समटाइम्स फॉर द फन ऑफ इट I am going to stand and ride, and while doing that, I don't want anything on my shoulders because the weight is going to affect my muscles over there. I might just slide this tank bag a little bit further. I think I have some headroom over there so that it won't really bother me. And I think turning के time पे भी hopefully वो कुछ बीच में नहीं आना चाहिए. But let's see. I am also experimenting. This is my first time buying something like this, so I'm not sure.
1 hour later.
बहुत ही ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग मैग्नेट है रे. मस्त स्लीक है एकदम, छोटा सा कॉम्पैक्ट. मतलब ज़्यादा बीच में भी नहीं आ रहा है. इट्स वर्किंग फॉर मी. व्हेन आई स्टैंड अप ऑल्सो दिस इज नॉट बॉदरिंग मी मच. हाँ, थोड़ा पेट के यहाँ पे लग जाता है, मे बी बिकॉज मेरा पेट थोड़ा सा बड़ा है इसीलिए. I think till now I am not facing any major inconvenience because of this bag. One big advantage, backpack चला गया तो shoulders का stress पूरा निकल गया. It's a very very good sign. हाँ, अभी धूप में खड़ा रहना पड़ रहा है यहाँ पे. Oh God, there is so much heat यार.
A few inches later.
So the reason I went for the tank bag is that I don't want to do any kind of modifications or attachments on the motorcycle. अगर tail bag या फिर saddle bags या फिर top rack, ये सब चीज़ें जो है ना, mainly saddle bag and tail bag, saddle bags के लिए saddle stay लगाना पड़ेगा. I really don't want to do it. Although there are provisions that are given on this motorcycle where there are holes where you just screw it in and your work is done. But I really don't want to add that kind of weight to the motorcycle. Tail bag, maybe I can try, but I'm not sure. But most of the time my wife sits behind and मतलब वो रहते टाइम मैं tail bag तो नहीं लगाऊंगा कभी भी. Also I don't want to install any top racks because it's going to be very very difficult for my wife to sit behind, and which is absolutely fair. Why to make the pillion uncomfortable while sitting down and getting up? And tank bags कैसा एक compact है, इसका भी limitation है. I think 18-20 लीटर्स के आसपास कुछ आता है. 20 is the max I think. इससे भी नहीं, I think इससे बड़ा भी आ सकता है, but it will get bulky and it might come in your way while you are riding the motorcycle. Obviously I haven't tried, so मेरे पास ऐसा रिव्यू देने के लिए या फिर उसके बारे में बात भी करने के लिए I have no data on which I can actually say it's good or bad unless I try it. If it exists, so obviously it's not coming in people's way, but it depends on who is using and how much they are willing to, you know, be okay with it and what's their requirement. If people need a lot of space, luggage space on their tank bag, then yeah, there is a solution for every problem, and somebody needs to carry a lot of things, and there are tank bags big enough to carry that much saman, carry that much stuff.